Hello, friends. Oddly, Revelation 5:6 describes the Lamb standing in the center of the throne. Thrones are not to stand on. Here's a tip. If you ever get the chance to be around God's throne, don't stand on it. But the Lamb's standing posture suggests a God that is ready to act, ready to engage our world. The standing description is a picture of God's person in relation to all things. He is not at rest, he is engaged. Jesus said in Revelation 3:20, "I stand at the door and knock. If any man opens the door, I will come in and sup with him." Our God is a standing God. He's not distant or aloof. He's near and anxious to engage. The only thing standing between you and his ready, willing, and able engagement in your circumstances is a closed door. Open it. Godspeed, my friends.